Hello people, today I'm gonna teach you how to make two different types of fish. Let's quickly see what all we need. Rectangle of 15 by 10 centimeter, glue, rectangle of 18 by 10 centimeter, scissors, two eyes and one pencil. Let's take the first sheet, fold it from the middle, draw the structure as I'm drawing. Now simply cut it. From one end, start folding in a zigzag manner. Now with the help of a glue, stick it exactly from the middle. The fish is almost ready. Let's put the eye. And the first fish is ready. Let us make the second fish. So first cut the bottom as I'm cutting, and then the top. We need to cut some layers at the bottom. Now in the middle too, and a small mouth in the front. Stick it in a manner I'm doing. Crossing and sticking the similar tips together. The fish is almost ready. Let's put the eye. And the fish is ready. If you like my work, please comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.